Hey Farmer Joe, why do you look so sad?
Well, you see, in this day and age, it is very difficult to run a small farm. It is incredibly expensive due to pressure from corporate farming, climate change, rising fuel prices, and general costs to keep the farm cohesive and functioning. I don't know how much longer I can stay on my feet.
Well, Farmer Joe, there is a solution to your problem. Unfortunately, it is illegal in most states due to lobbying pressure from various industries. This wonderful solution is called hemp. Now you may be thinking, what's reefer going to do to solve my problems? Well, Farmer Joe, hemp is very different from cannabis. While cannabis is grown for its large flowering buds, hemp is grown mainly for its tall, fibrous stalks and seeds. The buds of cannabis are used primarily for recreational and medical use, while the stalks and seeds have almost unlimited potential. However, due to its legal status, it is abusively underutilized. It is a perfect alternative to many resources and products currently used on your farm and beyond. Hemp can be grown in a wide range of climates and conditions. With the rising threat of climate change, this will become increasingly important as other plants which were once highly utilized begin to fail in areas where they were once grown. The resiliency of the plant will assure a steady resource for uses such as animal feed, bedding, textiles, and more. Hemp seed is an amazing resource for animal feed, blowing corn out of the water. It requires less of the soil, so there will be healthier soil for future generations to use instead of a depleted soil that does no one any good. The hemp seed is also exponentially more nutritious than corn. In addition to using the plant for its seeds directly, the stalks and leaves can be used for bedding, horse feed, and insulation in the loft of the barn. There are even more uses of hemp which may attract buyers from outside industries for processing, which in turn can be used for even more purposes on the farm. For one, the textiles made from hemp fiber can be used to produce clothing, saddles, and cow blankets. Biofuel can be produced from the seeds in order to power tractors, internal heating, and other heavy machinery. Building material such as hempcrete and insulation can be used in order to construct barns. The pulp can be used to make paper, as seen by our Declaration of Independence, in order to keep billing and accounting records. The ink to write on can also be produced from hemp as well. Erosion control blankets can be used to prevent runoff nutrients from entering drinking supplies and local watersheds. As you can see, Farmer Joe, hemp is a beautiful resource which has an almost universal use. Using hemp to alleviate your economic problems is an absolutely positive idea. It will create a higher sense of self-sufficiency for yourself, as well as giving you many lucrative business opportunities and creating a happier community. It is a shame that the only obstacle in your way are petty laws which make no sense when looking at the sustainability triangle. I hope I have convinced you to go out and say something to your local lawmaker and spread the word of the miracle of industrial hemp. It's been used since ancient times. We should bring back the gift to the modern era.